According to Julia Barreto, if I'm being completely honest kasi, I've always dreamed of having a family in an early age in my life. Ibinahagi ni Julia Barreto, 23 years old, na maaga niyang gustong magkaroon na ng sarili niyang pamilya. Gusto raw kasi niyang maalagaan at magkaroon ng sapat na oras para sa kanyang magiging asawa at mga anak. Pero nadiskaril daw ang kanyang mga plano sa buhay dahil nangyari ang pandemya. Sa Life in Progress, ang podcast show ng isang businesswoman na si Angeli Dub, nitong weekend natanong si Julia kung paano niya nakikita ang kanyang sarili isang taon mula ngayon. That's another question. I'm not sure if because our life is so unpredictable now, sagot ng aktres. Kung iba raw ang sitwasyon natin ngayon, mas definite ang maibibigay niyang sagot. Pero tiniyak ni Julia sa simulat sa pool, ninais niyang magkaroon ng pamilya sa murang edad. Pagbabahagi niya, if I'm being completely honest kasi, I've always dreamed of having a family in an early age. Like, that was always my thing growing up. I always wanted to have a family at a young age because I wanted to have a lot of time and I wanted to grow together with my family that I have made. Bagamat aminado siyang not an easy job to do ang buhay may asawa. Pangarap daw niyang maging may bahay pero nagagawa pa rin ang kanyang gusto. I dream to become a housewife, but a housewife that's like a boss housewife. Like you got your own work going on, but your number one priority is kids and family. Samantala, natutuwa raw si Julia dahil nakikita niya sa kanyang henerasyon na mas mataas ang respeto ng mga lalaki sa ginagawa ng kanilang mga asawa. It's not an easy job, but I'm so proud of this generation because I feel like our generation now, our time now, you will see more husbands and more men really praising their partners because they really witness in their everyday lives how challenging it is to be a homemaker, to be a wife, and to be a mom. At the same time, you will have to take care of your spouse and to take care of your kids and to take care of your house and then yourself without forgetting yourself at the same time. Dugtong pa ng aktres, so I feel like we're in a time now when men and everybody else are more appreciative and praise women more now because we already see this now. They see it more now. They understand it more now, how difficult a job it is to be a homemaker. Pinaniniwalaang ang karelasyon ngayon ni Julia Barreto ay si Gerald Anderson, bagamat wala pa ring kumpirmasyon mula sa dalawa.